Welcome to MathsCore, your gateway to exploring the fascinating universe of mathematics. Today, we will uncover the brilliance of an ancient Vedic Math Sutra, Chalana Kalanabyam, a method so powerful it transforms complex calculation into simple intuitive steps. Rooted in the wisdom of Sri Bharti Krishna Tirthaji's groundbreaking works, this sutra is a treasure trove for mathematicians and learners alike. Let's dive in. Let us understand what is Chalana Kalanabyam. Chalana Kalanabyam is a Sanskrit term that translates to differences and similarity, or we can say that motion and calculation. It forms one of the 16 primary sutras presented in the book Vedic Mathematics by Bharti Krishna Tirthaji. This sutra primarily focuses on solving quadratic equations but extends its utility to other algebraic challenges. It introduces an innovative way of calculating by focusing on incremental differences between terms and their ratios. This allows us to bypass lengthy traditional methods for quicker, more intuitive results. Let's put this sutra to work. We will solve a quadratic equation using Chalana Kalanabyam. The equation we are solving is x square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Here, we will use the sutra plus or minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. For more information about this sutra, please watch the previous video on Sutra 8, which is Purana Puranabhyam. For Chalana Kalanabyam Sutra, we will use the same strategy as the previous one. So let's find out the value of a, b and c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6. Now, by putting the values of a, b, c in the sutra, we will get the root of the given quadratic equation. And there you have it. The root of the quadratic equations are x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Notice that how Chalana Kalanabyam simplifies the process while keeping it logical and easy to follow. Applications of Chalana Kalanabyam. This sutra's brilliance isn't limited to solving quadratic equations. Its principles extend to calculus, particularly in simplifying derivatives, analyzing geometric projections, and understanding relationship in sequences. This adaptability makes Chalana Kalanabyam a versatile tool for students, professionals, and researchers alike. Thank you. Chalana Kalanabyam is more than just a sutra. It's a gateway to understanding the elegance and power of mathematics. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to MathsCore for more amazing videos. Unlock the genius within. Subscribe for more. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of math.